Hi, in this video, we'll talk about what are the website builders and how to choose one for your next project or, for example, your next personal website. Now, what is website builder? Website builder is something which is a readily available software and which eliminates the hassle of hosting and managing your cPanel and doing all the backend things which are required or which comes with hosting. Website Builder is like a complete front-end software which you simply log in, pay for it, and start using it. It does have a monthly or annual expense, and it is perfect to create a website if you don't have any technical knowledge, or even if you have technical knowledge, you don't want to hassle with it. So you don't want to go into doing the updates every time manually. You have to go into the website backend to see for the issues related to the server, if there are any code block or any such things. So if you are someone like this, then website builder is for you. Most important thing is the website builder is a very simple to use and manage. Anyone with just basic English skills can create a website as well as manage it. Now, what are those website builders which are available and which we can use? So we are going to see some of the most popular options right now. Believe me, there are more than, I suppose, 50 or 100 different website builders which are available today. But we cannot cover them all in a single video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you 5 famous website builders, and I'll also be telling you which one you should be using and when. So let's get started by exploring each one of them individually. First of all, I'll just go into the one which is probably the best one as far as the looks are concerned. So let's see what is Squarespace. So Squarespace.com is a very popular website builder, and it literally is a website builder and can be considered like Apple sort of thing when it comes to website builders. It has a very clean and neat user interface. It provides everything that you require like portfolio, pages, a very decent blog, a complete e-commerce solution, and many things can be done here. You can start your website as a free account. The Squarespace comes 15 days free. So it comes as free for first 15 days in which you can create your website, and then you have to purchase a paid plan for Squarespace. Now, the pricing of Squarespace is very clear, and it's somewhat on the expensive side, or you might consider this to be a little bit expensive. So the basic package starts with $12 per month, in which you get a free custom domain. Most of the features are available here. We'll just see what are not available. That is, there is no dedicated email available, there are no other integrations available, and there are many things which are lagging. The e-commerce facility is not available at all. Now, the important thing with Squarespace is in every package we have unlimited bandwidth and storage. So there is literally no bandwidth limitation, no storage limitation. You can also opt to pay monthly, or you can pay annually. The only thing that you will find lagging in Squarespace website creation, which I personally have experienced, is it doesn't have a gallery option. So whenever you want to upload a media, at any place, if you want to upload a media in your website, what happens is you just have to see the image or upload the image from your computer and put it over there. Even if you want to reuse the same image somewhere else, that is not possible with Squarespace, which personally I found very annoying. Apart from that, if you look into the templates that it provides, they are just the best. The kind of options, the simplicity that has been created, it is literally the best one. Now let's look at the second option, which is almost similar to Squarespace. This is Weebly. Remember, in the pricing package, you can see where you can get the most options, like which package comes with e-commerce and all those stuff. I would personally not recommend you to use Squarespace for e-commerce because not only it is expensive, but also adding the other payment gateways, for example, Indian payment gateways, is difficult. Similarly, there is this solution called as Weebly. Now, the pricing of Weebly and the pricing of Squarespace will be almost same, except Weebly has a free forever plan. With this free forever plan, what you can do is you can create a website. You will not be able to connect it to a domain, and you will get a temporary domain name from Weebly. Now, upon experimentation, I found Weebly is also very nice, has very decent support, and you can create almost everything with Weebly as are possible with Squarespace. The Weebly also comes with a lot of different templates which you can directly start or choose and get started with your design. There is a drag and drop block editor from which you can just keep and place the blocks and do the editing and create your entire site. It also comes with a dedicated domain, sorry, not a domain, but a blog, and you can connect it to your domain also. If you look into the pricing of Weebly, you can see $5 per month is the cheapest plan, which comes with 500 MB of storage, which is quite less. But believe me, many times this is sufficient for a personal blog. But to make sense, the plan is $12, which comes with unlimited storage, and you can connect it with your domain as well as lot many features. Next, there are two similar solutions. One is called as Jimdo and another one is called as Webflow. Now, all of these, like even Jimdo, is a very nice and decent website builder. Probably, if you compare it with all the others, then the pricing of the Jimdo most probably should be most suitable for you because it is directly specified in Indian rupees. So, 300 rupees plan, there is also a free forever plan which can be used with jimdosite.com subdomain. Then there is this 300 rupees plan which comes with 10 GB of bandwidth, 10 GB of bandwidth, and 5 GB of storage. The limit on bandwidth is somewhat annoying, but it depends upon how much your website is being used. Remember, bandwidth means what? If your site page, if one page of your site is consisting, for example, of 1 GB of information, so when I load that website in my browser, I download 1 GB of your website. It means I'm using 1 GB of your bandwidth. So if there is a 1 GB page, which is never the case, then just understand that your bandwidth will be 10 people can view it at the max. Beyond that, it's not possible. So Jimdo is also good. The website builder is decent. It's made in Hamburg, and it's one of the oldest website builders which are present out there. A very reliable solution if you want to create your website or even an online store. Then there is a new entrant, somewhat comparatively, which is called as Webflow. I have personally not tried Webflow much, but it is a very good website builder as well as something like a content management system. So it has its own decent way of storing your content also, just like WordPress. If you look into the pricing of Webflow, then the Webflow comes again with a free forever plan where you cannot simply publish your website. You get a temporary domain to start with. Apart from that, there are two types of plan. One is site plan and another one is account plan. Account plan means this plan will come with unlimited websites, and site plan means you have to purchase the plan site-wise. So for a single site, $12, $16, $36 are the pricing. And if I choose account plans, then they come like this. So $16 at the max 10 websites or 10 projects can be created. And Pro comes with unlimited websites, unlimited projects that you can create. So you might find it a little bit confusing, and if you are complete beginners in websites, then I will not recommend you to go with Webflow. The last and my personal favorite choice is Wix.com. Now, why it is so famous and why I'm also recommending it, there are multiple reasons for it. First of all, the pricing of Wix is very, very simple, and it is clearly the most affordable solution out there if you look at the pricing. So the unlimited bandwidth plan comes at this price with 10 GB of storage, which is much more than enough. Most importantly, the same plan gives you everything that you need to not only create your website, but an entire blog, as well as you can create your video channel, you can create your online store, you can do almost everything in the same plan. Second thing that is very nice about Wix is it provides a very decent media library. Now, when you are creating a website, adding the photo is one of the biggest concern. What happens in Wix is that the features are so extensive that even the commercial or the most popular content management systems like WordPress don't have that feature. Like you can create folders in your image gallery. You can connect your image gallery with your Google Photos or your Flickr account and directly import those photos from your Google Photos or Flickr gallery to your website gallery. And to top it, Wix also provides its own media gallery. So there are many times like we want to include some images in our blog. Let's say some people are teaching or something like that. So what we do is we go to some website like unsplash.com, and what we do is we search for an image, we download from here, and then we upload it. Wix provides three different type of galleries. There are two free galleries, one by Wix, second is the Unsplash is also there built inside Wix. And third, if you want, Wix also provides you an option to directly add images from Shutterstock, which is definitely a paid thing, but that thing is possible. So if you compare feature wise and what you get against your money, what all things you can do against your money, then Wix is leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. Not only this much, you can also create your social media art, social media things that you may want to post regularly on Facebook or LinkedIn. You can also create simple marketing videos inside Wix. You can connect your email marketing campaigns. You can do a lot more things with simply the Wix dashboard. Last, on the top of everything, Wix gives its own mobile application also. So with this mobile application, if you search for it, with this mobile application, you can not only connect to your customers, you can also perform a live chat with your customers or with the visitors on your website. You can also write your blog post, delete the blog post, and do lot many things. And this comes at no additional cost. So once you purchase a particular plan of Wix, every single feature of Wix comes with it. So that's the reason also I'm not only using it, but I'm also teaching how to create a website on Wix. That's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for upcoming more videos about how to create websites. Thank you.